Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala has ruled out any possibility of TMC and Congress working together to win the upcoming Lok Sabha polls in the state. Pala said that the All India Congress Committee has called the state presidents of the party on January 4th to discuss the party's preparations for the polls in New Delhi. Pala said that it is unlikely that the TMC would contest the polls from Shillong's seat following speculations that their top leaders are already looking to join other political parties.
I don't think so. If you ask me personally, I will not succumb to that ideas because TMC, as of now, after the election, the heads of the TMC in Meghalaya, there's lots of rumor that they may leave for BJP, they may go here and there. So TMC themselves have been disorganized. I don't know. They may reorganize also. Sometimes politics, looks very down when the result was out. But after that, they may reorganize themselves. But as of today, I don't think they have that tendency to fight elections. I've met so many of them, be in Delhi, be in here. I don't think so in Slonggon and even in Tripura also.
The state BJP has formed a committee to